Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to the Music Development. Today, we're looking at getting all 4 fingers going in the fretting hand. We already looked at going 0 to 1 on every string in the last video. Now we're going to work towards what you see me doing now, going 1, 2, 3, 4 on every string. First, let's turn 0, 1 into 0, 1, 2. We're going to play the open string, then first fret with the first finger, then the second fret with the second finger. Wait for the count in, and then play every 2 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might find it a little trickier going in reverse. When you play the open string, you've got a little bit of time to get your second finger ready above the next string. Try to anticipate the next note. Keep trying till it sounds good. Now, when you're happy with that, try 0, 1, 2, 3. Same thing, but now we're adding our third finger on the 3rd fret. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, when we can do 0, 1, 2, 3 up and down nicely, we'll remove the open strings and add our 4th finger to the 4th fret. When going up, try your best not to touch the string with the next finger until it's time to play it with the click. When coming back down, try not to release your current finger until it's time. That way, all the notes will be nice and smooth, like they're glued together. Here we go then. This time, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 on every string. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep trying that until it sounds clean. All good practice begins with something that reinforces your basic technique on the guitar, and these finger exercises are a great place to start. Once you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, try changing the order. Try 1, 3, 2, 4, or 2, 3, 1, 4. That's all for now. See you in the next video.